Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the capacity planning feature in the Agile business flow of the DevOps plan application. To start with, let's see what capacity planning is. Capacity planning is the process of determining the production capacity required by an organization to meet changing demands for its products or services. In this context, design capacity refers to the maximum amount of work an organization or individual can complete within a given time frame. Now, let's see capacity planning in DevOps plan. In DevOps plan, capacity planning is a two-step process. First, create a capacity planning record. Then, view the capacity planning record as a template. Note that only admin users can create a capacity plan record. However, all users with read permissions can view the template. Let us now create a capacity planning record, that is step 1 in the process. To begin, click the New button in the top right corner. Select Capacity Planning. You will be navigated to a form with 3 vertical tabs. In Capacity tab, enter the capacity planning record name and description. Select the user group for which planning is being done. User groups must be created using the user management feature. You can find the video tutorial link in the video description. Then choose whether to plan based on story points or hours. In the Planning tab, select the timeline and begin planning resource capacity. The resource list is auto-populated based on the selected user group. Use Add Project to assign a user to multiple projects. Enter values in either story points or hours, depending on your earlier selection. The key fields in the Planning tab include capacity per day. It indicates the daily capacity of the resource based on experience level. Total capacity. It represents the maximum workload a resource can handle within a specific time frame. It is automatically calculated as capacity per day into total number of working days. This value is editable. Meetings or activities. It indicates the total hours spent on meetings, training, etc. This value is calculated based on days. Days off. It indicates the total number of non-working days. Allocated indicates the total number of hours or story points already allocated for a resource. This value will be calculated after creation of the record. Available capacity is the remaining capacity for additional work. It is calculated as total capacity minus meetings or activities minus days off minus allocated. This value will be visible during the record creation. However, accurate value will be calculated after the record creation based on the real-time data. This helps managers identify under or overutilized resources. Now, let me add the resource Sangeeta to multiple projects. Click on Add Project button. You should be able to enter the values for the new project in the first row. Select the resource. Select a different project, then enter the values and click on Save button to save the entry. Likewise, enter the values for rest of the resources. Clicking on Group by Resources will group the table based on the resources. Click on the accordion to expand and view the allocated projects and values for each of the resources. Once the planning is done, click Save. The History tab displays when the record was created or modified and by whom. Now, the step 2 of the process is to view the capacity planning template. Click Insights in the navigation menu. Select Capacity Planning. You will be navigated to a dashboard where you can view capacity, availability, and utilization metrics. Select a capacity planning record from the drop-down. View data by individual or group capacity. Adjust the timeline to filter results. Apply filters for projects, releases, sprints, and type of work item. Group capacity view includes group total allocated capacity. It is the total assigned capacity for the group. Group total available capacity. It is the remaining capacity for additional work. Group utilization percentage. It indicates how efficiently the group's capacity is being used. It shows the percentage of the company's total production capacity that is currently in use. Individual capacity view shows utilization at a resource level. Click on Allocated Values to open a slide panel with detailed record level allocations. Before you can allocate capacity, make sure that the records are created and the resource is linked to them with the correct start and end date. This concludes the tutorial on capacity planning in DevOps Plan. Thank you for watching.